We're going to add some text to a sign in Bambu Studio. I'm on a Mac, but it should be the same way on a Windows. I have my object selected. I'm going to say text. Click here. You can either scroll through, which I find tedious, or you can start typing. Writing me today what you want. Click the font, and there are some other settings here. I like mine to sit right on top. You can choose how thick and the size of the font, whatever. So I'm going to put my font here, put my writing here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of right click and drag it to where I want it. Now here's the key, actually left click, sorry. Don't let go. If you don't like the size of it and you want it bigger or smaller, go back over here. Change it to whatever you want it to be, and then drag again. Okay, now you can see it's too big, so I'm going to go another size. And there it is. That's what I want it to be. So now that I let go and click off of it, that's on there. Now, I'm actually in the objects part here, and you can see my text shape is the same color as the object. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to click on this text shape. When I did that, you can see that it sort of highlights it. It's hard with the light, but you can see it has the highlight around here. And I'm just going to click here, choose the color I want it to be, and there it is. And if I need to add more text to that, you want to do that line by line, and that way you can manipulate the different sizes and things like that. That's the easiest way to add the text. I do not believe, and I have never found that I could edit that text once I put it on there. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, but that is how I do it. It's worked for me. It's either you delete it off there or and start over, or you go with what you got. Hopefully that helps.